Okay, so it's my 18th birthday party, and we all got together to play poker. But you see, we haven't even started that yet because Matt is the last one to show up, and for my birthday, I got a bunch of Nerf guns. Yeah, they're pretty cool. And I got that one. Fully automatic, shoots 25 bullets in a clip, 2 clips. It's pretty awesome. So, Matt gets here, we're all going to be hiding behind the pool table, waiting for him to come down. He's going to come down these stairs. We're just going to unload on him. So we got 2 camera angles. It's going to be pretty cool. Okay, Matt just pulled in, so we're going to get ready. We got everybody lined up. We got 2 cameras. We got one over here. He should be ringing the doorbell any second. I'll go get him. Actually, I'm going to hand the camera off. Okay, Matt, take it. We're all downstairs. Cool. We haven't started playing yet. Okay, just come on down. And the water. Get him!
Oh God, he's moving! That one's down. I think he's. I don't.
Build up, build up.
Don't let him get away. I missed. Put him down. Oh God, reload. Get infected. Run away. It's not safe in here anymore. Can't reload fast enough.
Okay, that was way too much fun, and here is the carnage. Bullets everywhere. I didn't even know that I had that many. Matt, Richard's dead. There's Jeff. That was awesome.
Oh, I want to see that.